Alright, so it's about 6:45 in the morning, and November 30th, last day of November, and I just got my plane back with a new exhaust installed on it, and I am going to fly out of the pattern and head out to the Eastern Shore. So, alright, let's do this. Okay, Bishop, don't mess this up. Freeway traffic, Luscombe is departing 18, departing to the southeast freeway. Alright, here we go. Oh man, what am I doing? I can probably turn this headlamp off now. Do a little carb, open up that carb heat. Carb heat in. Yeah. Alright, well this thing likes to fly. Cambridge traffic, Luscombe is 3 miles to the northwest, 1,100 feet inbound landing, 34, Cambridge. Well, my radio calls need a little work. Obviously, I'm out of practice. So the plane went down to replace the exhaust, and that also coincided with a trip I had to take overseas for work. And so, basically I ended up not flying for about 2 months. And during that time, you start to get all sorts of crazy ideas, like why am I even flying anymore? Maybe I should sell the plane. But now it just seems insane that I would have ever thought that, because this is so great. Cambridge traffic, Luscombe is turning final 34 Cambridge. So this feels weird. Although admittedly, maybe I haven't done this in a while. I will slip it down, but it does feel like I got a little bit of a tailwind. So keep slipping the airplane, keep slipping the airplane. Because right now I am fast. Okay, but plenty of runway. Plenty of runway. Plenty of runway. Wow. Carb ice. Yeah, so I did a stop and go on the runway, and the second I pulled in the throttle, the engine almost quit on me. It's really incredible how quick that carb ice builds. Cambridge traffic, Luscombe turning final 16 Cambridge. Alright, so what is going on? This feels better. Dang, what is the wind doing? Other than okay. Oh yeah. But that was the right decision.